Evening, sir.
Uh, it's actually a matter of proud privilege for me to witness this grand and holy gathering of the course participants and celebrating the occasion of Christmas festival. Moreover, this is of greater importance for me to experience the joy that this holy celebration is being given away in my school compound. Great pleasures to all of you, and to me too, and to my school children and my staff. I have some emotions I have to share. The three Magi means the three wise men. Those were also called later kings. They traveled long distances and reached the site known as Bethlehem, where Jesus Christ was born. They were actually foreigners. They had known about the taking birth of the King of the world. So they started their journey, long journey, and reached there with the gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. It was just like, as I compare these two events in my own mind with the event of Lord Krishna's. Bhagwan Shankar went to the door and wanted to have a darshan of Lord Krishna. It was really like that. It happened in before Christ 6th and 4th century, when Jerusalem was ruled over by King Herod. Jesus Christ brought the message of peace and fraternity and love for all. Love to mankind, love to neighbors, love to all the creatures of the universe. And it has spread throughout the world. Now Jesus Christ is remembered from every nook and corner of the world to the other nook and corner. People are uniting themselves with this spirit. Some legends are also going with it. There is a legendary figure who is called Santa Claus. Santa Claus is also known in the name of Kris Kringle, Father Christmas, Saint Nicholas, and ordinarily in the name of Santa. The abode of this legendary figure is North Pole, as we come to know from the written evidences available. And there, in the accompaniment of the elves, this legendary figure gets manufactured toys and other gifts, candies, etc. But before that, wandering throughout the world, going to the doors of the people in search of the children who are well behaved, and makes a list of them. So this is a contention that in the night of 24th of December and in the early hours of the 25th of December, this legendary figure leaves the gifts to the children of the world, those who are well behaved, and to those who are not well behaved, the pieces of coals are left. This is something that I read somewhere else. Jesus Christ is remembered as King of the world. This is in Psalm. A line is given over there. And it is with regard to the three Magi, that they should fall down before the king. So the word king is there in the chapter of Holy Bible that is called Psalm, Psalm. This is according to Christianity and to the belief of the people of the world, this is perhaps the beginning of the custom or the tradition of giving away the gifts. And it started with the three Magi, the three wise men. Those who had gone there dressed in Arabian uniform, Arabian costumes. This is an occasion, a holy occasion for celebrations in the recollection and memory of Jesus Christ, the God, the King of the world, who spread the message of peace, harmony, love, affection, fraternity. And I hope that this true message of our King impresses all, and all the people of the world begin to observe the same. My all the best wishes to all of you, and thank you for giving this opportunity on this holy occasion.
Thank you.